A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Okay, yes, so we are live with the session, right? So in the morning PYQ class, I think I had already took one class. I had already took one class where I had discussed all the previous questions, right? All the previous questions. So that class, which was done in YouTube itself, right? That class was, it got stopped in the between, right? So I could take only 11 questions that day. I think it was the previous Saturday. So today I'll be finishing up all the questions, right? So I think in the previous class I just took some 10 to 11 questions. So today I'll be finishing up the whole mechanical shift questions. Right? So x minus half the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to x plus 2, right? X is equal to what? 6, 4, 8, 10. So tell me what is going to be the right answer. Tell me what will be the right answer here. Right? Is it streaming properly? Okay, yes. I am not leaving, Baba. I am there in Unacademy itself. Right? Yes. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? You guys know this, right? So here I can easily tell this x minus 1 by 2, right? The whole square, right? If this is a, then I can take x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. This will be b, right? So what is this going to be? What is this going to be? Tell me. This is going to be a square minus b square. Yes or no? A square minus b square. What is a square minus b square, people? What is a square minus b square? It is a plus b into a minus b, right? A plus b into a minus b. ठीक है, a प्लस बी इंटू वाई माइनस बी. तो a प्लस बी करेंगे हम, राइट, वी विल टेक दिस. सो a प्लस बी इज x माइनस 1/2 प्लस x माइनस 3/2, राइट, इंटू a माइनस b x माइनस 1/2 माइनस x minus 3/2. ठीक है, right? So when I do that, this I will be getting this. They have already given it as what? X plus 2. This has been already given as x plus 2. So this will become 2x minus 2, right, is equal to x plus 2. 2x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2. So when this comes here, this will be when this goes here, right? So this will be x is equal to 4. This will be x is equal to 4. Option B is the right answer. This will be x is equal to 4. Option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Okay, sorry there. Right? Yes. If cos theta is in degrees, right? If cos theta is in degrees, what is the angle between the longest diagonal of the cube? Right? If cos theta is in degrees, what is the angle between the longest diagonal of the cube? Right? What is the angle between the longest diagonal of the cube? So tell me the answer here, people. If cos theta is in degrees, what is the angle between the longest diagonal of the cube? Right? Longest diagonal of the cube, what will be its value? What will be its angle, or what will be its value? Yes, okay, right? So how can I take this as, people? Right? How can I take this as, right? So I can draw a cube, yes or no? I can draw a cube, obviously. So let me draw a cube. So I am vaguely drawing a cube, so please don't go by my drawing, right? Please don't go by my drawing. Yeah, yes. So here it is, a cube, right? Here it is, a cube. So when I draw this cube, you guys can see that, right? They have told what the cos theta is in degrees. What is the angle between the longest diagonal of the cube, right? You know that a cube, all the sides are equal, right? What happens in cube? In cube, all sides are equal, yes or no? Right? In a cube, all the sides are equal, yes or no? All the sides are equal. So this is 1 1 1, right? 1 1 1. So if I make a triangle here, right? So this is going to be 1 1 and 1. So what is going to be my hypotenuse, right? This will be my hypotenuse, yes or no? Right? My hypotenuse, what will it become? Right? 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, because it is joined by 3 sides, right? This cube is joined by 3 sides, like aisa banega, right? So this will be the triangle I'll be getting if I go for the longest diagonal. Right? 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, right? Which is going to be root 3, right? Which is going to be root 3. You guys know that cos theta is equal to what? Base divided by hypotenuse, right? Base divided by hypotenuse is your answer, right? What is my base? My base is 1. My hypotenuse is root 3. My hypotenuse is root 3. So technically the answer, I think it should have been 1 divided by root 3. Right? Technically the answer should have been 1 divided by root 3. Option A is going to be the right answer. Option A is going to be the right answer. 1 divided by root 3. Let's see the next question now. I play piano dash my sister. I play piano dash my sister. What is going to be the right answer here, people? Right? I play piano, right? I play piano. So this question I have explained numerous number of times in my English classes also, right? In the English classes, all these questions have been done, right? What I have told, as well as my sister, won't happen here, right? I play piano with my sister can be the answer. I can't tell I play piano as well as my sister, or as well as my sister, okay? Okay, so that you can't use. That is a wrong usage of English, right? As well as is wrong, right? So I am playing piano with my sister, so there is no comparative degree here, yes or no? This is basically the positive degree of adjective, right? This is the positive degree of adjective, right? So as better as भी नहीं होगा, right? As worse as or as nicest as will be the answer. As worse as or as nicest as will be the answer, right? So when you are telling as worse as, no, it will be like, it will not be like comparing with your thing, right? As worse as my sister, you are telling my sister and me, we both are going to play the worst piano, right? We are the worst piano players, okay? As worst as my sister होना चाहिए, right? As worst as my sister. And दूसरी बात बोला गया, right? You should always take such comparisons or positive degree. You should always say comparisons or positive degree in a positive way only, right? Worst is a negative word, right? Worst is going to be a negative word, ठीक है? तो इसलिए इसको लिया नहीं जाता. So it is option D. As nicest as my sister. As nicest as my sister. Let's see the next question. Question 15. Okay, when the paper is folded, what will be the right answer you guys will be getting? When the paper is folded, what will be the right answer you guys will be getting? Right? Okay. Yes. So when I do this, when I change this, just a minute, let me go for a different color. Right? Yes. So here, right? So this has to be folded, right? When this gets folded here, right? एक और चित्र इधर आएगा, एक और leaf, and this is how you guys will be getting. Okay, this is how, right? So you have to look for such a picture. You have to look for such a picture where the arrows are like this, right? Here the arrows are in this position, so B is wrong, A is definitely wrong, C the orientation itself is wrong, right? D is the right answer, like this, okay? D is going to be the right answer for this question. Let's see the next question, right? So here they had told what is the symmetrical one you guys will be getting. What is the rectangle? How will be the position of the rectangle organized here, right? So I'll just draw the rectangle for you people, okay? I think I have to go with the red color only, right? Okay, yes, I'll be just drawing the rectangle for you people, okay? Right, like this, like this, like this, okay? Like this again, joining it. So it is just like a maze. It is just like a puzzle. It is just like a puzzle, you guys will be telling, right? It is just like a puzzle, right? It is more or less than a puzzle, right? ये एक puzzle की तरह है. This is just like a puzzle. So this is the diagram you guys will be getting. This is the diagram you guys will be getting. Let's see the 17th one. Area of triangle MOP is 50 centimeter square, right? Area of triangle MOP is 50 centimeter square. Points M and P lie on the circle. If points M and P lie on the circle, right, that area of the triangle MOP is 50 centimeter square, and if the points M and P lie on the circle, what is the area of the circle? If the points M and P lie on the circle, what is the area of the circle, right? So tell me the area of the circle here, people. Yes, okay. So if we clearly see this, right, if we clearly see this, people, you can see that area of the triangle is given for you, right? They have told what? They have told what? They have told the area of the triangle is 50 centimeter square. Yes or no? They have told that area of the triangle is 50 centimeter square. ठीक है? तो इधर आप देख सकते हो, right? You can clearly see M and P. The points M and P are doing what? They are lying on the circle, right? So you guys know that area of the triangle is given by what formula? Area of the triangle is given by what formula? Half into breadth into height, right? Half into breadth into height, okay? And they have already told it is equal to 50 centimeter square, right? Half into B into H is equal to 50. Yes or no? Is equal to 50, right? This is what they have told it, right? This is what they have told it, okay? They are lying on the circle. So what is the area of the circle, right? So if you guys can clearly see this, right? Normal logical question this is, right? Normal logical question. What is this? This is the radius of the circle, right? And what is this? This is also the radius of the circle. Yes or no? The base and height given here are both the radius of the circle. The base and height given here are both the radius of the circle. That is what you guys can see, right? तो उससे ही हम निकाल सकते हैं इधर, right? We can take out the whole one, right? So substitute B and H as R. So this is half into R is equal to 50. So here R square will be equal to 2 will go here. R square is equal to 100. So R is going to be square root of 100, right? So R is going to be 10, right? R is going to be 10. And you guys know here, right? They have given everything in terms of pi. They have given everything in terms of pi. What is the area of a circle, people? Right? What is the area of a circle? First of all, tell me. It is pi R square. Sorry, right? Yes. Area of the circle is pi R square. Yes or no? Right? R square is equal to 100. So pi into R square is equal to 100. So R square you already know it as 100. So pi when it goes here, this will be equal to 100 pi. This will be equal to 100 pi. So option D is the right answer. 100 pi, option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. 5 boys PQRST are seated in a row in such a way that there is only one person between Q and R. S cannot be seated adjacent to Q. In how many ways they can sit, right? In how many ways they can sit. Okay? Right? So what is going to be the answer here, people? Right? 5 people are there. So there is only one person between Q and R, right? So one of the combinations will be Q dash R or it is R dash Q, right? These are the two combinations which is happening. S cannot be seated adjacent to Q, right? I can never get a combination of QS or SQ. I can never get a combination of QS or SQ, right? In how many ways they can sit, right? In how many ways they can sit. So first thing is Q dash R, right? So I'll be getting dash dash. The same thing I can do R dash Q dash dash. What if I place Q here? So this is Q dash R. Similarly, dash dash R dash Q, right? This can be done, right? This can be done. This is one of the combinations I can go for. And similarly, right, Q dash R, one space has to be written, one space has to be left. So dash Q dash R dash R dash Q dash. These are the combinations which will be happening. Yes or no? इसके अलावा कोई combination बन सकता है क्या इधर, right? From apart from these, are there any combinations which will be there, right? Are there any combinations which will be there? Yes, no combinations can be there, right? So one thing I know, right? After Q, right? After Q, you guys know that PQRST is there. So Q cannot have S, right? Q cannot have S, Q cannot have R, P and T, right? After Q, 2 factorial will always come, right? So 2 factorial here, right? 2 people can sit here, right? They are Q and T. And after R also 2 people can sit, right? After R also 2 people can sit. Already here 2 people are there. Here only 1 person can sit. Here only 1 person can sit. Similarly, in this combination also, right? Here 2 people can sit, right? And here Q, right? Q as it is, right? Okay. This is 1 person and this will be S always, right? S always. Q and S, they can't be together, right? Here S will come. Right, here S will come, people, and Q, because Q and S cannot be adjacent, right? Both the sides, other people will come, right? Other people will come, and here also S will come here because Q can't be there, and here also here S will come. Okay, तो इधर कितना हो रहा है combinations? 2 into 2, 4 combinations. Yes or no? Here how many combinations? 2 into 1, right? 2 into 1 combinations are happening here, and here, right? 1 person will come here, second person will come here. 2 combinations are happening, right? And finally dash dash R dash Q, right? So S can't come here, but S can come in any of these places, right? S can come in any of these places. So this 2 1 again, this is 2 combinations, and here, yeah, here 2 and 1, so again 2 combinations, right? Here S can come in any of the places, so this is going to be 2 2 1, right? 4 combinations, right? 2 2 1, 4 combinations. So totally how many combinations are possible? 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 8, right? 16 combinations are possible, right? 4 plus 4, 8, 2 4s are 8, 16 possible combinations are there. So option C, 16 is the right answer. Option C, 16 is the right answer, right? I have written the combinations and I have told you people also, right? You can take it in a single way. You can take it in a single chart also, right? By taking in a single chart also, you guys will be getting the same, right? 2 factorial into 8 times. 2 factorial into 8 times because 3 people are there, right? 3 factorial hota rahega. So it is 16 is the answer, right? 3 factorial to 4, anyways you guys will be getting 18 as the answer, right? So the nearest possible answer will be 16. Nearest possible answer will be 16. Let's go on to the next question, right? Okay, a girl comes out from her door, from the front door of her house to see her shadow in the morning time. The sunlight falls on her right hand side, okay, and the front face of the house in the back, right hand side means this is the shadow, right? The sunlight falls on her right hand shadow, right? The sunlight or the shadow falls on her right hand, right? The shadow falls on her right hand. So where is this girl, right? Where is this girl facing, right? Where is this girl facing? That is the answer. So tell me the answer for this question, people. Right? Yes. What will be the answer for this question? So a girl comes out from the front door of her house, right, to see her shadow in the morning time. Okay. So just this. Okay. So if the girl is facing south, right, so this will be the right hand side and this will be the left hand side. Yes or no? If the girl is facing north, this will be her left hand side, this will be her right hand side. Yes or no? This will be her right hand side, this will be her left hand side. So precisely in this question what they are telling is, right, they are telling the sunlight falls on her right hand or the shadow. Sunlight ka matlab kya hai? The shadow, right? The sunlight falls on her right hand, that means the shadow will be here. Yes or no? Right? The sunlight, if it falls like this, right? The sunlight, if it falls like this, that means morning is given already, right? And you guys know, according to the direction chart, north, south, east and west, right? The sun rises in the east. Yes or no? Sun rises in the east, right? So this is the east. This is how the sunlight is falling on her right hand and she is getting a shadow here. That means the girl is facing south, right? The girl is facing south, and obviously if she is coming out from the front door of her house, the house is also facing south. Yes or no? Right? The house is at her back, the house is also facing south only, right? So ये मेरा घर होगा, ठीक है? घर के सामने दरवाजे से मैं ऐसा आ रहा हूँ, तो घर भी साउथ ही डायरेक्शन है, घर भी साउथ डायरेक्शन ही है. So D, south is the right answer. Let's see the next question, right? Yes. Which of the following options is grammatically correct? Which of the following options is grammatically correct? Okay. After his accident, he could barely walk. After his accident, he barely could walk. After his accident, he rarely could walk. After his accident, he could barely walk. Right? After his accident, he could barely walk. So what is going to be the right answer for this question? What is going to be the right answer for this question? ठीक है? तो ये बहुत ही आसान सवाल है, right? This is very easy question, right? You never use a adverb, right? What is barely and rarely, people? Right? Barely and rarely. What are these called as? These are called as adverbs, right? These are called as adverbs. And you already know, I have told it in various number of times in my English classes, that adverbs, right? Adverbs are used after the verb, right? Are used soon after or soon before the verb, right? You won't get a could here, right? You won't be getting a could here, right? So rules of adverbs, I have told you, adverbs are used soon after the, right? Soon before the verb, right? So adverbs plus verb hoga hamesha, right? Adverbs plus verb hoga. Adverb and a verb will be there. In between there won't be any word, right? In between there won't be any word. So you can see the verb is walk. This is barely, right? There is a word. So B cannot be the answer. Rarely and walk. There is a word. So C cannot be the answer. So the right option is going to be A and D. Right? The right option is going to be A and D. So this was an MSQ, I believe. Right? So the right options are A and D. Let's move on to the next question. There were 65 hens, 91 dogs and 169 goats in the farm P and in farm R. The total number of hens, dogs and goats are 416 in the ratio 5:14:13. If all the hens, dogs and gates are moved from Q to P, find the new ratio. Are moved from Q to P, find the new ratio. Yes. So tell me, what is the answer here, people? 65 hens, 91 dogs and 169 goats are in the farm P and in farm R. The total number of hens, dogs and goats are 416 and the ratio is 5:14:13, right? Ratio is 5:14:13, right? So I already know the value of Q, which is 416. I already know the value of Q, which is 416, and the ratio is given as 5:14:13, right? So what is the value of, right, 5:14:13, right? So 5 is nothing but the hens, 14 is nothing but the dogs, and 13 is nothing but the goats, right? 13 is nothing but the goats, right? 5 are, 14 are, 13 are, right? ये टोटल मिला के कितना मिल रहा है मुझे? 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 10 29, 29 plus 3 32 R, right? I'm getting a total of 32 R is equal to 416. Yes or no? I'm getting a total of 32 R is equal to 416. So what is going to be the value of 1 R? Let us find out. What is going to be the value of 1 R? Let us find out. Right? You know 32 ones are, right? Obviously जा रहा है 32 ones are 32. So how much I'm left? I'm left with 9. So this is 96. So 416 by 32, how much we are getting, people? Right? 416 by 32, how much we are getting, people? We are getting a total of 30, right? So 32 ones are 32. बचता कितना है? 9 बचता है 96. You guys know that 32 into 3 is 96, right? 32 3s are, right? So 1 R is equal to 13 मिल गया मेरे को आंसर, right? So in the same way, let us find out the values of hens, goats and dogs, right? Hens, dogs and goats, right? Hens is in 5 ratio. So 5 R is going to be 5 into 13, right? 3 5s are 15, 5 plus 1 65 हो रहा है, ठीक है? In the same way, let us find out 14 R, the value of 14 R. 14 R कितना हो रहा है, right? So this is 14 into 13, yes or no, right? So I know that 14 into 14 is going to be how much? 289. 289 minus 13, right? Or 289 minus this. So this is going to be 2, right? This is going to be 14 into 13, no? Right? Yes, correctly I'm doing, no? Correctly I'm doing, no? Yes, 14, yeah, 14 square is 196, sorry. 14 square is 196, okay? तो ये करूँगा तो 182 मिल गया. Now, then 13 R I have to find out, which is 13 into 13, which is 169. Yes or no, people, right? So 32 R is equal to 460, they have already told. 1 R का value आ जाता है 13, तो substitute करो 65, 182 और 169 मिल जाता है. Now, okay, 65, 182 और 139 मिल जाता है. They have already given you guys as what? They have already told you guys what here, right? They have already told you guys what here. There were 65 hens, 91 dogs and 169 goats, right? Okay, 169 goats, right? 65 hens, right? So 65 I already have, right? 65 plus 65, how much it is? 130, right? How many hens I am having? 91 dogs, sorry, this is hens, this is dogs and this is goats, right? So 182 plus 91 is going to be 273, right? 182 plus 91, 3, 8 plus 9, 17, 273, and finally 169 plus 169 only, no, right? Yes, wait a minute, I did a wrong circle. Yes, okay, 169 only, right? 169 plus 169. So this is going to be 9 plus 9, 8. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 338 हो रहा है, right? 338 हो रहा है. So let us write this down now. 130 is to 273 is to 338. 130 is to 273 is to 338, right? So here I can clearly see that this is divided by 13 only, right? 13 tens are 13 20s are 260, 13 21s are, right? And 13 3s are is going to be 390, right? उतना जाने का भी जरूरत नहीं है, right? 13 6s are 78, 270 plus 78, right? 260 plus 78, 338, right? So this is 26. 10 is to 21 is to 26 will be your answer. 10 is to 21 is to 26 will be your answer, which is option B, right? 10 is to 21 is to 26 will be your answer, which is your option B, right? So I'm just adding here 14 14 28 plus 4 32. 32 R they have already told it as 416. So 1 R का वैल्यू कितना आता है वो हमें पता चल जाता है, बाद में जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करके आंसर निकालना, ठीक है? Yes. Let's go on with the next question, right? If plus means minus, into means divided by, triangle means plus and inverted triangle means multiplication, what is the value of this expression, right? What is the value of the expression which has been given to you people? What is the value of the expression which has been given to you people? Minus 0.5671. Minus 0.5671. Chalo, right? Yes. So very easy question this was. Very easy question this was, right? Plus minus this divided by, okay? So 2, sorry, this was actually 2, okay? And 2 plus is minus, okay? So ये 2 minus 3, okay? What is triangle? Triangle means plus, okay? Then another triangle, right? So this means divided by 4 divided by 2, right? And then this is into 4, right? Apply the BODMAS rule. So this is 2 minus 3 as it is. First you have to solve the brackets. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. Yes or no? 4 divided by 2 is 2. BODMAS, D comes first, then later it is the M. D comes first. You guys know that BODMAS method, BODMAS, right? So it is division first, then the multiplication. Okay? 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So this is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 8. Okay? Because addition then subtraction. Or else you can do it anyways, right? Okay? Minus 1 plus 8, because this was in bracket. Okay? 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 8. 7 is the right answer. Okay? 7 is going to be the right answer. Okay? 8 plus minus 1. Or else, yes, 7 is going to be the right answer. Or else you don't have the other one. Okay? Let's see the next question. The increased consumption, right? The increased consumption of leafy vegetable in the recent months is a clear indication that the people in the state have begun to lead a healthier lifestyle. Which one of the following can be logically inferred? Which one of the following can be logically inferred? The people in the state did not consume leafy vegetables earlier. Consumption of leafy vegetables may not be the only indicator of healthy lifestyle. The people in the state have increased awareness of health hazards causing by consumption of junk food. Leading a healthy lifestyle is related to a diet with leafy vegetables. Leading to a healthy lifestyle is related to a diet leading with healthy vegetables. Right. So what is going to be the right answer here? Right? Okay. So this one I have already told in the previous critical reasoning classes and all. Right? Assumptions. Okay. Did not consume, negative assumption. तो ये गलत हो गया. Right? Yes. Consumption of leafy vegetables may not be. Again a negative assumption. गलत हो गया. Right? The people in the state have increased awareness of health hazards causing a consumption of junk food. Okay. Let's see this. Have increased awareness of health hazards. Right? Is it there anywhere? Is this statement there anywhere? Increased awareness of health hazards? No, it's not there. Leading a healthy lifestyle is related to diet. Yes or no? Is the word diet there here? Right? Lead a healthy lifestyle. Yes. Is the word diet there? Yes. Increased assumption of consumption of leafy vegetables. It means a diet only. So D is going to be the right answer. D is going to be the right answer. Okay. Question 24. In a bag, there are 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. 2 balls are randomly selected without any replacement. What is the probability that the first ball is blue and the second ball is black? What is the probability that the first ball is blue and the second ball is black? Okay, right? So ये भी आप easily लिख सकते हो. There also you can give the answers directly. In a bag there are 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. Yes or no? In a bag there are 15 blue balls and 45 black balls. 2 balls are randomly selected without any replacement. Okay, without any replacement. What is the probability that the first ball is blue and the second ball is black? First ball is blue and the second ball is black. How many blue balls are there? 15, right? 2 balls are randomly selected without replacement. That means these are independent events, right? These are independent events. Yes or no? Right? These are independent events. So first thing is 15 C1, because I am calculating only one ball. How many total number of balls are there? 45 plus 15, which is going to be 60, right? 15C1 by 60C1, right? And here these are independent events, so multiplication aayega. Next I am choosing a black ball, right? So this is going to be 45C1 divided by, what will come in the denominator, people? One ball I have already taken, right? One ball I have already took out. One ball I have already took out, right? So obviously they have told without replacement. That means I am not replacing this ball, right? This ball is not being replaced. Okay, this ball is not being replaced. मतलब जो ball मैंने उठाया वो चला गया. ठीक है? तो 60 minus 1 is 59. So this is going to be 59C1. ठीक है? So here 15C1 I know it is as 15 only. So this will be 60 into 45 bar 59. Okay, so this is 15 ones are 15 fours are, right? So this is going to be 1 by 4 into 45 bar 59. Okay, so 9 fours are 36. You guys know that. Okay, so unit digit 6. So D is going to be the right answer. Or else you can still go by it. 9 fours are 36. 3 in the carry. 4 fives are 20. 20 plus 3 23. Denominator 45 as it is. Right, 45 by 236. Option D is the right answer. 45 by 236. Option D is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 25. P, Q, R, S, T are 5 friends to be seated in a row, not in the same order. P and T cannot be at the starting or ending of the row. S cannot be adjacent to P. R should be at the second place from the left. How many such combinations are possible? How many such combinations are possible? 2, 3, 5, 4. How many such combinations are possible? 2, 3, 5, 4. Let us see the right answer here. Okay, yes, how many such possible combinations you can obtain, people, here, right? So the thing is, P and T cannot be at the starting or ending of the row, right? P and Q, they cannot be starting at the ending of the row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so P and T, I cannot have them at the starting or ending, right? So P and T can come in only these two places, right? So P and T cannot be at this place. P and T cannot be at this place, right? So they cannot be at this place, right? Yes, that they have told. S cannot be adjacent to P, right? So S and P or P and S cannot come together. S and P or P and S cannot come together. So basically I can get a combination like RPT, right? With the starting, right? So here RPT, one combination is possible, right? And here the other two things, right? So what is left? S, and what is left? Q, right? This is one combination which is possible, right? Similarly, PT can replace their position. So here Q will be there. QPTRS, that can be told QPTRS, but they have told R should be at the second place from the left, right? Here they have not given you the directions, right? They have not given you the directions. So this is going to be left, this is going to be right. Okay, not given you direction मतलब हम default में इसको क्या रखेंगे? हम default में इसको हमेशा north ही रखेंगे, right? So this you can't do it, right? You can't do it because R has to be here only, right? R has to be in this position only, right? Yes. So what and all can I change here, people? What and all can I change? Okay, so let us keep R here itself, right? P and T, right? They have to be in this position only, because if P comes here, PS ho jayega, right? PS cannot be possible, right? So this is one combination that can follow, right? And here another combination which can follow is S shifting. So this can be written as SRPTQ. Okay, and the same combination can happen here, SRTPQ. Okay, right? Apart from this, no other combinations are possible, right? Because even if I take here QRTPS, PS cannot be together, that they have told, so this combination cannot happen, right? Okay, this combination cannot happen. But from seeing this only, you guys can easily tell, right? This is going to be 2 factorial plus 2 factorial, which is 4 combinations, but one of the combinations is also not going to happen. That one combination is also not going to happen here, right? Yes, so I'm totally getting how many combinations? 1, 2 and 3, right? So my answer is going to be option B, 3. My answer is going to be option B, 3, right? QRPT. So here I'm getting 2 factorial. Then again SRPTQ, when I'm doing that also I'm getting 2 factorial. 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4, but one of them is wrong, right? 3 is the answer. Let's see the next question. There is a circle and inside it there is an inscribed equilateral triangle, and inside it there is another circle. What is the ratio of the inscribed circle to the circumference of the circle? What is the ratio of the inscribed circle to the circumference of the circle? ठीक है? हाँ. Yes. Okay. So here they have given you one thing. One is inscribed equilateral triangle and one other is 1, right? So this is going to be the big R, right? Let me just go for a different color, right? Yes. Okay. This is the big R. This is the big R, right? This is the big R. So I'm getting a triangle here. Yes or no? I'm getting a triangle here, and this is going to be the small r, right? So small r का मेरा formula क्या होगा, people? What is the formula of my small r? This is a by 2 root 3. Yes or no? Right. And big R, what is the formula for the big R? Which is a by root 3. Because I have told you that R is to R. That is, the big R is to small r, right? I took this numerous times in my geometry sessions, right? In my geometry sessions, I have already told you, right? So this is going to be the big R, right? The circumscribed circle, big R, capital R. And this is going to be my small r. This is going to be my small r. That is the inscribed circle. And I have told what is the ratio of this r is to r. What is the ratio of this r is to r? This is double and this is single. Yes or no? The small r is literally half of the big R, right? So r is to r, what will be r is to r, what will be my ratio? My ratio is going to be 2:1, right? तो इधर ये 2 वाला कट जाएगा because this is 2 root 3, this is 1 root 3, right? So what is going to be the r by r ratio here? What is going to be the value of the r by r ratio? It is a by cancel हो जाएगा, 1 by 2 बचेगा, right? 1 by 2 is going to be there. Inscribed circle to the circumference of the circle, right? So this is going to be pi r square, right? Area, what is the ratio of the inscribed circle to the circumference? Area I am taking, right? दोनों circle है, circle का area आपको पता है, that is going to be pi r square, right? So pi r square, r by r, I already know it. Pi and pi gets cancelled here. So this is 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square, I am getting the answer as 1 by 4. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, right? Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Question 27. Square side of limit dimension is folded along the axis, along the diagonals, and then about the symmetrical axis. Find the area of the resulting plane. Find the area of the resulting plane. तो resulting plane का area क्या होगा वो हमें बताना है. What is going to be the answer, or what is going to be the area of the resulting plane? This is a square, right? This is a square. तो क्या होगा इसका area? What is going to be the area of this people, right? Yes, tell me. What is going to be the area of this, right? तो आप देख सकते हो 1, right? So when I cut this symmetrically, what is the portion that will be remaining? What is the portion that will be remaining, people, right? So this is the portion that will be remaining. Yes or no? This is the portion that will be remaining. इसको वापस मैं half करूँगा, right? तो ये portion remaining है. इसको वापस half करूँगा, so this portion will be remaining. Yes or no? This portion will be remaining. इसको वापस half करूँगा, so this portion will be remaining, right? Finally, this is the portion I will be getting. So let me just highlight this. Let me just shade this. Okay. Let me just shade this. How to shade this? Okay, it is not shading. I have to draw it only. Oh. This is the triangle I will be getting. Okay. Finally, when I cut it along the symmetrical planes, this is the diagonal, or this is the triangle I will be getting, right? Yes. So this is the triangle I am getting, right? So how many times I have done this? How many times this successive division has been done, right? So once, okay. Then it has been done twice here. Then it has been done thrice here, right? So they are told it as a by 2, right? So a by 2 cube, right? Which is going to be a by 8. So a is actually going to be 1. So the answer is 1 by 8, right? The answer is 1 by 8. Okay, so 3 times I've done the successive division. Yes or no? So 1 half, then this is another half, then this is another half, right? Yes. So first I am doing this, then I am getting this half, that is second one, then the third one. So this is going to be the third successive division, right? So 2 2 2, right? ये तो 2 cube हो रहा है. Okay, 2 cube is nothing but 8. Okay, so you know that they have given this as a by 2 here, right? This is going to be a by 2 cube. So this is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is going to be a right answer. 1 by 8 is going to be a right answer. Let us see the next question. A digital clock A beeps every 30 seconds, another clock B beeps every 32 seconds. Together beep every 32 seconds. They beep together at 10 a.m. When will they beep together next? When will they beep together next? So this is a.m. 10 a.m. and this is also 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. Right? Yes. So this is just like your time and work problems. Yes or no? Time and work problems, and also, you know, just like your pipe and cistern problems, right? Pipe and cistern problems, what is there? Type P fills the tank in 13 hours, type Q fills the tank in 14 hours, type R empties the tank in 14 hours, right? Even in the time and work, right? A does the job in 8 days, B does the job in 6 days, and A plus B both do the job in 2 days, right? So what I was teaching you people, right? So clock A is beeping every 30 seconds, clock B is beeping every 32 seconds, clock A plus B is beeping every 32 seconds, right? This is nothing but your LCM method, right? 30, 32 and 32. What is going to be my LCM? My LCM is going to be 480, right? My LCM is going to be 480. So 480 matlab how many, right? So this is in seconds now, people. This is in seconds, right? Seconds. So in the time and work also, when we were taking LCM, what we were getting this? We were getting the total work. Yes or no? So this is the total seconds took, right? This is in seconds. You know this is given in minutes, right? This is given in minutes. So you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 480 by 60. 0 0 काट लो, 6 1 जा, 6 8 जा. So this is going to be 8 minutes. Okay. Let us look for 8 minutes where 10:42 minutes wrong. 11:00 wrong. 10:00 wrong. 10:08 a.m. Right? It beats every 8 minutes. Right? It beats every 8 minutes. So 10:08 p.m. 10:08 a.m. Sorry, 10:08 a.m. is going to be the right answer. Let's see the next question. Okay, question 29. The front of Mr. X door, or the front door of Mr. X house faces east. He walks 50 meters through the back door, which is exactly in the opposite direction of the front gate. Now he turns right and walks 50 meters. Now he turns right and walks 50 meters and reaches point D. Then the direction of point D from the starting point is dash. Then the direction of point D from the starting point is dash. North, west, southwest, northwest. North, west, southwest, northwest. Okay. So I will do this. The front door of Mr. X's house, right? So his X's house, right? The front door, it is facing east. This is your east. So no, in the direction chart, you guys know north, south, east and west. Okay, this is facing east. Okay, he walks 50 meters to the back door, right? So actually his face door is facing east, but Mr. X is a different person. Mr. X is a different person. He is like, no, I won't walk east. I will walk from the back door, right? So he is walking 50 meters to the west. Okay, he is walking 50 meters to the west. Sorry there. Right, he is walking 50 meters to the west, right? Because he is going to the back door, right? This is the front door. The back door will be west only, no, right? Yes, which is exactly in opposite direction of the French gate. Now he turns right. So this is the person. He is walking like this. So when you are going to the west, I have already told you people, this is my right. Yes or no? This will be my right and this will be my left. Okay, he's turning right and walks 50 meters, right? So he's going north. He walks 50 meters here, right? So I'm like this right now, how you guys are writing or attempting the questions. So this is right again, this is left again. He reaches a point D. Okay. He walks opposite to the direction of this and he reaches this point. Okay, the direction of point D from his starting point. So this is his SP starting point, right? From here I have to calculate. So let's draw a direction picture here. So this is north, south, east and west. Okay, so that person is like this, right? That person is like this. So what is this going to be, right? What is this going to be? It is between north and west, so this is northwest. Option D is the right answer. North and west, northwest, so that is going to be your right answer. Okay. The next question, if plus divided by minus is equal to 2 and plus divided by triangle is equal to 3, point plus triangle is equal to 5 and triangle into cross is equal to 10, what is the value of cross minus plus the whole square? Cross minus plus the whole square. Okay, so let's do this. Point is equal to 2. Okay, then triangle divided by, sorry, plus is equal to 3, right? And this is triangle multiplied by cross is equal to 10. Triangle multiplied by cross is equal to 10. So you can see the common equations, linear equations. इन दोनों में से common ले सकते हो. So plus is a common entity here. Yes or no? Right? Plus is a common entity and divided by is a common entity. Right? Plus is a common entity and divided by is a common entity. Right? So here, what divided by this will give you 2. What divided by this will give you 2. So let us go for common entities. Right? So 2 and 3. Let us multiply both 2 and 3. Right, so the answer is going to be 6. Yes or no? The answer is going to be 6. Can I place 6 as plus here? Right, 6 divided by what will give me 2? 6 divided by what this dot will give me 2. 6 divided by the dot 3. Right, so I am getting the answer plus as 6. Dot is going to be 3. So what is going to be my triangle? Right, so 6 divided by what will give me 3? 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. Yes or no? 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. So my triangle is going to be 2, right? So triangle I know. Triangle is this 2. 2 into how much is going to be 10. 2 into how much is going to be 10. तो इधर ये दोनों को ले सकता हूँ मैं. ये 30 होगा, right? 30 होगा. So obviously this is going to be 2 minus 3 or 2 plus 3. 5 हो सकता है, ठीक है? So what is this? Right? I know already triangle is this. Triangle into something is going to be 10, right? So the something cross is going to be what? It is going to be 10 bar 2, which is 5. Yes or no? So what is my cross value? What is the value of my cross? The value of my cross is going to be 5. So what they have asked? They have asked cross minus plus the whole square. Cross minus plus the whole square. So this is 5 minus 6 the whole square. So this is minus 1 the whole square, which is 1 itself. Minus 1 the whole square, which is 1 itself. Option C. Minus 1 the whole square, 1 itself. Option C. Okay. Chalo. Very good, right? We are coming to the end of the session. Only 4 more questions left. Let's finish it off fastly. 31st. Which one of the following is grammatically correct? Which one of the following is grammatically correct? The number of candidates sorry, who appear for the GATE examination is staggering. A number of candidates from my class are appearing for the GATE examination. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination are staggering. A number of candidates from my class is appearing for the GATE examination. Right? Is appearing for the GATE examination. Which of the following is grammatically correct? Which of the following is grammatically correct? See, the fourth one is entirely wrong. A number of candidates, plural. A number of candidates, plural, are appearing for the GATE examination होगा ना, right? Is कैसे हो सकता है? तो fourth one is wrong. So A is entirely wrong here. Okay. Let us see the third one. Let us see the third one. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination are staggering. Yes. Number of candidates. It is plural here, right? And I've got are here, right? So third one is correct. Okay. Let us go for the second one. A number of candidates from my class are appearing for the GATE examination. A number of candidates from my class are appearing for the GATE examination. Yes, this is also correct. This is also entirely correct here. A number of candidates. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination is standing. Okay, wait a minute. A number of candidates from my class are appearing for the GATE examination. Right. Fourth one is wrong. Right. Second one is also wrong. A number of candidates from my class are appearing for the GATE examination. The second one is also wrong here. Right. Second one is also wrong. Right. So let's go for the first one. Right. Second, let's go for the first one because I am not happening. Right. Yes, precisely even second one is correct. Wait a minute. Right. Even second one is correct here. Right. Even second one is correct. Okay. Even second one is correct except 4. I think the first one is also correct. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination is staggering. Okay, is staggering. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination. GATE examination is singular here. Right? GATE examination is singular here. Is staggering. Right? So this is also correct. Right? 1, 2, 3 तीनों correct है. So I should look for options 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. So 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Wait a minute. Oh, number of candidates. I think I have done a typo here. Right? Yes. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination are. Hey, this is wrong. The number of candidates who appear for the GATE examination is staggering. Okay. So third one is wrong. I'm really sorry here. Third one is wrong here. Okay, I'm really sorry. 1 and 2 is the right answer. So it is option B. Okay. 1 and 2 is the right answer. So it is option B. It is not C, Baba. Right? It is option B. Okay. It is option B. Okay, so the third one is entirely wrong. Okay, the number of candidates plural who appear for the GATE examination is staggering because GATE examination is there, right? So just like this, GATE examination is staggering when the first one is correct. So R, how can it be correct? So third one is also wrong, right? Third one is also wrong. So 3 and 4 both are wrong here. 3 and 4 both are wrong. So the right option is going to be 1 and 2, which is option B, right? Which is option B. Okay. Let's see the last 3 questions. Okay, 32, right? I think 33 and 30. Yes, 33. Okay, only 2 questions are there. So what is going to be the answer for your 32nd one? All entrepreneurs are wealthy. All wealthy are risk seekers. All risk seekers are wealthy. Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers. So what is going to be a right answer? What will be my right answer? No, that was not an MSQ. So that was a correct one, right? Are you asking about this question? The question 32. This question is correct. 1 and 2 is the right answer. 1 and 2 is the right answer. B. Okay, right? So this question is fine. Okay, 1 and 2. So I made a mistake, a bit of confusion there, right? Yes, 32. All entrepreneurs are wealthy, right? So I'll write down entrepreneurs here, right? And all entrepreneurs are what? They are wealthy, right? They are wealthy. All wealthy are risk seekers, right? All wealthy are going to be risk seekers. All wealthy are going to be risk seekers, right? So this will cover the whole, right? ये whole anda hoga, sorry there, right? This will be the whole anda, okay? All risk seekers are wealthy. Can I tell this? Can I tell the conclusion one that all risk seekers are wealthy? No, Baba, right? Some risk seekers are wealthy hoga, right? It won't be all risk seekers because W is like this and R is like this, right? Some risk seekers are wealthy, not all risk seekers are wealthy, right? Not all risk seekers are wealthy, right? So the first conclusion is wrong. Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers. Can I tell that? Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers. Entrepreneurs are like this. R is like this. All entrepreneurs are risk seekers, right? All entrepreneurs are risk seekers. Not some entrepreneurs are risk seekers, right? Conclusion 2 is also right, right? So it is option D. Neither is correct, right? It is option D. Neither is correct. Going on to the last question. Going on to the last question of this session, where I'll be ending the solutions of all the PYQs of GATE. Okay, all the PYQs of GATE. So tell me the right answer. Tell me the right answer here. The world is going through the worst pandemic in the past 100 years, right? Okay, the air travel industry is facing a crisis as the resulting quarantine treatment or requirement for travelers led to weak demand. In relation to the first sentence above, what the second sentence do? Right? What is the second sentence? With relation to the first statement, what is the second statement? Which one? Previous one, Baba, right? Can you please tell me the number? Is it 31 or 30, 32, 33? Okay, so you can see this. The first statement. What is the first statement telling? The world is going through a worse pandemic situation in the past 100 years. Right? This is the statement 1. The air travel industry is facing a crisis as the resulting quarantine requirement for travelers led to a weak demand. This is statement 2. Right? So don't you think that the statement 1, right? Okay, don't you think the statement 1 is a continuation of the statement 2, right? Statement 2 here, right? Statement 2 here, isn't it a continuation of the statement 1? Statement 1, right? Statement 1 is world is having a worst pandemic. World is having the worst pandemic, that is statement 1. And because of this pandemic only, the air industry or the airplane industry is having a weak demand, as the quarantine requirements or the deployments has to be met, right? So S1, right? S2, right? So this is the action. This is the action and this is the result of it, right? It is because of the pandemic this is facing, right? Two statements are underrated, you can't tell this. Restates an idea, it doesn't give me an example. Second side entirely contradicts, that is also wrong, right? It states an effect, right? It is option D. It states an effect, option D. Acha, conclusion 1 is correct. How can conclusion 1 be correct, Baba? देखो इधर करता हूं मैं, रुको. हाँ? How can conclusion 1 be correct? Right? Yes. See here. All entrepreneurs are wealthy, right? E. All E are W. And all risk seekers are wealthy, right? All risk seekers are wealthy. Yes or no? All risk seekers, they are what? All risk seekers are wealthy. All risk seekers are wealthy. ठीक है, इन दोनों को combine करो, right? All wealthy are risk seekers. Sorry, I saw the conclusion, right? Sorry, I saw the conclusion. ठीक है, all wealthy are risk seekers, right? All wealthy are risk seekers. So all wealthy are what? Are risk seekers. तो risk seekers बड़ा सर्कल बन जाएगा इधर, right? बड़ा सर्कल बन जाएगा, right? So all risk seekers are wealthy हो रहा है क्या, right? Is the circle like this? All risk seekers are wealthy. Is the circles like this, Baba? Right? No. Conclusion 1 is wrong. Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers, right? Is the circle like this? Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers. ऐसा है क्या मेरा circle, right? My circle is like this, no? My circle is like this, no? Right? Am I getting this circle here? Only some entrepreneurs are risk seekers. Some of them, right? This is also no. This is also no. Both of them are wrong. Neither is correct. Right? Both of them are wrong. Neither is correct. Right? Understood? Clear? Huh? Clear? Right? Neither of them is correct. Okay? Neither of them is correct. So it is option D. Right? So it is option D. Neither of them are correct. Take care. Right? Yes. So that's where I end the session. So thank you all. So tomorrow on Unacademy, okay, you guys will be having 2 sessions from my side. So in the YouTube, right, in the YouTube, tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning, I'll be taking something called as crack placement series, okay, which is nothing but an overview of the placement series I'll be taking in the Unacademy free channel or in the Unacademy free special classes. So tomorrow I'll be telling you guys a brief overview about it, of what I'll be taking in the classes and in the Unacademy free special classes. So from 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon, you guys will be having a free special class of mine where I'll be taking the PYQs of AAI for General English. The PYQs of AAI for General English. Similarly, at 10 o'clock in the night, that is 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m., you guys will be having a session from my side where I'll be taking the physics lectures. Physics for AAI, right? Physics for AAI, right? Yes. So thank you everyone, right? Yes. All wealthy are seekers. Yes. Understood? No? Yes. Right. So thank you everyone. I'll see you all in the upcoming sessions which are about to be held in the Unacademy. So please don't miss the 10 a.m. session on YouTube for Unacademy, where I'll be discussing something related to your placement. So this is going to be a 30-minute session. Okay. So I'll be telling you guys what is that placement session I'll be taking and what are the topics I'll be covering and how long that batch is going to be. How long that batch is going to be. Okay? Yes. So thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead. Please do stay safe. Tata. Bye bye.